soft and ready to kiss, okay? Mwah. Hi my loves, it's your girl Naila Ayan and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello my love, please join the family and hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to 500 before the New Year's, alright, before 2021. So join me. For all those who are back, hello, and let's get right into this video. We are getting into lips today. Okay, please excuse my voice. It is like 5 o'clock in the morning. I literally filmed this yesterday and it was out of focus. So I am up before work and we are going to get this video to y'all. So the first one I have is this Clinique like lip chap lip balm, and it's in the color Black Honey. And basically, as you see right here, it's literally, you all, after I've done my makeup, I don't have anything on my lips. This is literally just like a natural blush type pink on me. I would be highly interested in trying this on other skin tones. But literally, y'all, so moisturizing. You know, Clinique is like one of the best lines for skincare, and I use a lot of their products on my face in terms of their toner and their foundations. So I love this. It's super moisturizing, gives you just a natural tint, and if you just don't want to be doing too much, you want them lips kissable, okay, but you got a little blush pink going on, this would be the one. So hold the thought. I'm going to show you what I would pair with this, okay, to give a more glossy look. Alright, so this is look number 2. I have the pictures down here so you can see the difference, but this just gives you a very natural, flush, glossy. It's still slippery, okay, you're not like, alright, but this is my first Fenty Beauty product that I ever bought, and this is called Glass Slipper. They had a, Rihanna had a beautiful sparkle, like clear one, but I always do sparkle, so I wanted to do something different for once. So this is absolutely amazing. It smells good. By the way, the Clinique doesn't have a smell, by the way, you all. But Glass Slipper, it gives you like tropical berries on your lips. This is still kissable, baby girl, baby boy, whatever. Okay. Anyways, absolutely love this. As you see, it just gives you a natural look, and yeah, we're ready just to go to the store, run errands, whatever, you know, pull up on bay, it doesn't matter. We're ready for it. Okay, so look number 3 is one of my favorites, and I will show you a second combo that I do with this later, but literally, whoa, literally, you all, this is my holy grail, like literally my favorite. I literally have started to buy this in 3s, but it's called Trippy by Morphe, okay, and it's so beautiful. It's like a nudish, brownish, iridescent with like pinks and purples. As you see here, it gives you like an iridescent look in comparison to look 1 and look 2. Look 1 was just very plain, moisturized. Look 2 is very glossy. Look 3 is just iridescent but glossy. By the way, you all, I put a lot of gloss on. If you do not like a lot of gloss, you know, you can just rub a little dab and still be cute. I just like my lips to look wet. I like them to look moisturized. I like them to look whoop, they in there. So yes, this is my go-to, you all, like literally my favorite. Shout out to Jessica. She introduced me to Morphe lip glosses when she got this as my Secret Santa, and since then I've been hooked. It's moisturizing, it doesn't dry out your lips, you don't get the little lines on your lips. I love MAC products, but their lip glosses that came in little tubes like this, they always stick. You know what I'm saying? Like when you're talking, or you get that like ugly white line. So this does not do that, you all. So far, everything I've shown you does not give you the lines, does not give you chapped lips or sticky lips. So love it. Let me know if you love my favorite color, Trippy. So the next one we have that you see here, and again, I have the picture down here just in case the camera is not doing it justice, but this is called Freya. This is Freya by Anastasia Beverly Hills. When I first started, you know, getting out of the MAC lip glosses, this is the first one I bought. Absolutely love this color. It's like a goldish beige. It's like a gold beige sparkle type vibe. As you see, it kind of almost gives you the vibe of Trippy that we just saw, but it's more, I don't know, I want to say brighter. Like gives you almost a white look if you don't do it right. So absolutely love this color. I'm going to show you in the end how, and for another look, how I do it with my lip liner. That's normally how I wear it, but if you would like to wear it just plain Jane, sorry, I'm looking in the mirror, this is how it will look. Again, I put a lot on because I want it to be super glossy, but a little goes a long way with this product. Again, no sticky lips, alright? You don't get a little ashy line. Super moisturizing. This one doesn't really have a fragrance to it, which I like. Yeah, it doesn't. It just smells like a lip gloss product. If that makes sense. But absolutely love this color. So this is number 4. Last one. Okay, y'all. So the last one from Anastasia Beverly Hills is going to be, what is this? Warm Bronze. Okay, my sister picked this out for me. Absolutely love this color. I was a little nervous because of how the color looked in the case, but it's so pretty. It, again, it's kind of like the one I just showed you, but it's not a shimmer. It's more of just a plain, I guess, you know, what would you call this? A nude type color, because this is a certain type of nude. It goes on the same. It's definitely, again, not sticky. It's moisturizing. It doesn't have a shimmer in it. It doesn't have a gloss. I mean, if you put a lot on, you see I do look a little glossy. But it reminds me of a lipstick type vibe, but a little bit glossier. Shout out to Anastasia. She's doing her thing on the lip glosses for sure. And the price is nice. Alright, you all. So our next combo is actually 2 in 1. So we have the lip liner and the matte lipstick. This is all from Morphe. So this lipstick is called Single AF, alright, and it's just a very pretty, almost like, I want to say, I guess, just a pretty pinky nude. It almost looks like my gray, but obviously it's a pinkish color. Then I'm wearing Vibes by Morphe in terms of the liner. This is a very neutral, just matte look. I'm going to show you really quickly how we can get another look with just keeping everything like it is and adding gloss on top of it to give it a different look. So, alright, so what I have on my lips right now, I just added some Glass Slipper from Rihanna's line, and as you see in the comparison here, the first one was of, I don't know, I want to say a more flesh tone type pinky vibe, and this one is definitely like a baby pink nudie type vibe. So as you see, you can create a whole nother look. Also, it gives a little gloss look, so if you don't want to do the matte, you want to add a little life to your lip, put a little gloss on and keep it pushing. So one of my favorite combos, like I told you earlier, we were going to take the Anastasia Frida and we're going to pair it with a lip liner, which gives you this look right here. I absolutely live for this lip liner. This is the MAC lip liner called Night Moth. Absolutely love it. It reminds me of Cyber, their lipstick, but in a pencil, and absolutely love it. It just gives a different look. Frida can definitely be very in your face, and this kind of tones it down and gives you another look. And as you see here, you have it by itself, the gloss by itself, and you have it paired with the lip liner. And literally, I just line my lips, you all, and I only put a little bit of Frida in the middle, just a little bit, and there we go. We have a whole nother look. Super pretty, moisturizing, not doing too much, but sexy at the same time. The last look of the day is what I'm wearing right now, and that's again our Night Moth lip liner paired with the Single SF lipstick, which is matte from Morphe. And as you see here, in comparison to what we just did with this same lip liner with Freya, lip gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills, this gives you a slightly different color. It's a little bit pinkish, a little bit, you know, I don't know, magical. I don't know how to describe these lips, but these are my top neutral nude looks for your lips, okay? And let me tell you my holy grail secret real quick. It's literally this little bottle. It's Sephora, okay? It's a vanilla lip scrub, and honestly, to be honest with y'all, it doesn't feel like a scrub to be honest. And I mean, you can exfoliate your lips, whatever you have. I just like this. It smells good. It feels good. It really feels like a lip balm on my lip when I do it, but you know, it's only for a lip scrub, so I literally just take it off in the shower or when I'm washing my face. But I noticed when I started using this on my lips before I do my makeup, period, no matter if I'm wearing gloss, matte, regular lipstick, whatever, my lips did not crack throughout the day because it's winter time, it's cold. I'm not sure if you're like me, but I get really sensitive. My skin just gets dry. So it keeps you hydrated. It keeps you hydrated. It keeps you soft and ready to kiss. Okay. Mwah. All right, so this concludes today's video, my loves. Let me know in the comments if you loved any of the looks and give me some suggestions on some brands, if so, that you love. All right, thank you for tuning in with your girl today. Again, please excuse my raspy voice, y'all. It is early for the kid, but I wanted to get this out for y'all. So I love y'all. Remember, be love and light. Have a great weekend. Your girl made it on Friday. It feels like the OG days when we first started and we were on every Friday. So feels good to be here with y'all, and yeah, I can't wait to see y'all next week for some more content. All right, have a great weekend. Until next time.